How to transfer money from Wise to your bank account. So if you're using Wise and want to move your money to your bank account, this video walks you through the entire process. Also, I'll cover fees, transfer time, and common mistakes to avoid. So you just open up the Wise website and of course log in right over here with your account. And then tap balances and choose the currency you want to send from, like USD, Euro, or the British Pound. And then inside the selected balance, you tap on Send to initiate the transfer. Then when Wise asks you where you want to send the money, select Bank Account. And then you just enter your bank details, depending on your country. This could be an IBAN, account number, routing number, or SWIFT. Then you just type in the amount you want to send. Wise will instantly show the transfer fee, exchange rate, and how much your bank will receive. Double check everything and then tap confirm and send. And also make sure the bank account name matches your Wise account. Avoid sending on weekends if you need fast delivery, and remember that some banks charge incoming fees. And if your transfer fails, recheck the bank details, confirm the currency matches your bank account, and make sure your Wise account is fully verified. And this is how you transfer money from Wise to your bank. If you want Wise International Transfer Guide, fee breakdown, or common Wise problems explained, leave a comment below, and thank you for watching.